Okay, let's try to fix this float like I was saying. Each one of these floats will cost at least 25 to 50 bucks, depends where you're buying it from. And this float is actually a good float, but the only thing is it's broken. So I can just go out and buy a new one, or I can repair it. And I'm gonna try repairing it. See if I can make it work. By the way, every time you glue something with this, you need to put the glue in both surfaces, not just one. So the two sides where you're going to be gluing, you have to put the glue. If you only put it on one side, this glue is not going to work. It's real strong, but like I said, it's not going to work if you only put it on one side. Both surfaces need to have it. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this, where to like actually put it both sides. Okay, so there. So do the extra work and do it right. And here, they say that when you use this glue, it doesn't supposed to be like submerged in liquids and stuff like that. And this is going to be dealing with chlorine. So let's see how good this glue is. Should be good. Okay, so now we put it in all the spot where it's going to be together. Okay. Now let's hope it works. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's find out. Okay, it's dry, and we have to test it. You guys can see I didn't have to spend the money. My float actually works, and it's not broken anymore. Okay, and it's dry. It dries that quick. You spray it, it's dry. So now it's done. Okay, so by the way, this kit, this glue is probably like 30 bucks. And I already use this for other purposes. So this already paid me back. Just with this, it paid me back by fixing this. Okay, to let you guys know. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. This is how you fix a broken float, a broken Hayward float for your swimming pool. We're trying to enjoy our swimming pool and not waste a lot of money in chlorine, so we do need a float. If you use your pool without a float, you're going to be spending a lot of money. Okay, because the chlorine is going to go quick. Okay, so anyway, that's how you fix our float with the instant bond, glue, and the activator. Thank you guys. Bye.